Today, we're making a super easy Kathal Masala that's full of flavor and ready in no time. First up, we have 250 grams of half-boiled kathal. Next, one roughly chopped onion. Then, the essential spices: Haldi, Dhaniya powder, Garam Masala, Kashmiri red chili powder, Methi seeds, and a pinch of Hing. Then, a homemade onion ginger garlic paste. And finally, some fresh coriander leaves to garnish. Heat some oil in a pan. Once the oil is hot, add a pinch of Hing and half a spoon of Methi seeds. As soon as they start to splutter, add the roughly chopped onions. When they turn light golden, add the onion ginger garlic paste and cook until the raw smell disappears. Time to add all the spices. Add a splash of water so the spices don't burn and fry well until you see oil separating. Sprinkle a small pinch of black pepper powder for extra punch. Now add the half-boiled kathal and mix everything nicely. Add salt to taste. Cover it and cook for about 5 minutes. Finally, top it off with fresh coriander leaves, and your spicy kathal masala is ready to serve.